DCS-5 is our most advanced imaging system for the photography and enhancement of fingerprints, and is used by police forces and forensic professionals worldwide. The DCS-5 core system includes a custom-modified UV-IR sensitive camera mounted on a pro-grade photographic copy stand. Evidence is illuminated using a choice of specialist high-intensity forensic light sources. Once captured, images can be examined on a connected PC, with fingerprints being further enhanced within the DCS software suite. Designed by a former UK police fingerprint laboratory manager and used by some of the world's leading forensic labs, the DCS software suite includes digital enhancement toolboxes and a casework management package suitable for producing court-ready reports with a comprehensive audit trail.